Wow, that's some lovely paint. Taking a little brake clean to clean things and...
Yeah.
What the fuck? That's lovely work. Anyway, back here on TM62 F100 Wrongbed.
Wrongbed?
That's actually what I'll explain later.
Okay.
Scotty has not heard the Wrongbed part of this story. But it's a common thing on the 62. Anywho. Throwout bearing is first thing that's going to come the fuck out. We got the grease gun.
It's going to come the fuck out. Not fuck out. It's going to come the fuck out.
That's what I said. Come the fuck out.
Okay, so now we do some scrapey.
We need some grease gun action too.
Ooh, yeah. Yeah.
We're going to lube it up before we stick it in.
Stick it in. Oh no, that's Glade.
Let's plug it in.
Same thing, you're going to plug a hole, make it smell nice.
It's supposed to smell nice first and then...
Well, you know what they say.
A little beat up.
If it smells like cologne, leave it alone. If it smells like tuna, should have been there sooner.
Tastes like chicken, keep on licking. Smells like trout, get the fuck out.
Yep.
Anywho, throwout bearing. Boom, I got the new one in my hand. We're going to pull that one out. Put a little grease in this one real quick. Send it. And put the trans in. Done.
It's not a trans.
This is a manual.
It is a gender-neutral slush box.
This one's not a slush box, though.
So this one is a gender-neutral, non-binary slush box.
I was going to say straight acting. Because it goes exactly where
Why's it got to be straight?
Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, anyway. Holy shit, Scotty. Alright. So I'm going to pull this out. We're going to stick this in.
And go for it. Talk about going in with polygrip and sandpaper.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
That is bad.
look at that. That's beat the fuck. Oh.
I know $5 whores that are less beaten than that thing is.
This looks... My ex looked better. Just kidding. She's still a piece of shit. But yes, that's... Oh, lordy. All right. Glad we got the new one. So I'm going to go wipe my hands off. Give that a little grease, and we're going to stick that baby in.
There we go. Do ya?
Scotty, you're making all these, like, sex noises. What's going on over here?
Oh, yeah, playing with the playing with the long yellow thing. Yeah. Playing with my banana. My banana has a... No, sorry. Oh, that's meat. It's something like that, whichever. Okay, what do we do with the other one?
Chalk?
Yes, chalk.
The chalk's right there, wait. In the Monroe box.
No, the blue chalk.
The blue chalk? The blue chalk's over there.
Blue chalk.
These chalks are for Mr. Falcon. That's a whole nother day.
These...
Look,
watch this, ladies and gentlemen. Ah!
They don't come back very easily.
Reminds me of my ex.
That's fat girl problems.
Quick to respond. Well, quick to push away and slow to respond.
Dead fish boogie.
Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun.
All right. Anyway, new shock on. New shock's going on there.
One left to go on this side.
Guys got a little more clean up here. Just a
Yeah,
little.
I got a little bit of gasket to finish scraping off, and I want to do some wire wheel, get it nice and clean, spotless.
Looks good though.
Then we'll put the gasket on, get the differential in,
Third member in.
get everything locked in place, and
Lock,
we
stock,
need
lock,
oil.
rock. Yes, I'm gonna bring oil.
We need
over.
oil,
I'm
so we can
going
put
to-
oil in here.
I gotta go to the shop anyway. Grab
Okay.
something.
So that'll take care of that. We'll get this taken care of, get the shocks taken care of. Then
I gotta put oil in the tranny too. But look, it's in. All done. In. Linkage.
purdy. It's purdy green.
It's ready to go. We just gotta put that in. So this half's done. Scotty's gotta also get the seals out of the axle at the hub. Real quick, remember?
Yep.
So things are going. We're rocking. Are we rocking, Scotty?
We rocking.
We're rocking. Keep on rocking in the free world.
That'll work. Yeah,
Yeah,
that'll work.
That's a good one. All right. Plugging away. Scotty, what sexiness do you have for us?
We have an original FOMOCO tag. Part
Real
number
deal data tag.
C1TT 4001 L303MA 411 posi traction rear end. 411 rear end. I always say posi traction. Don't ask me why. Old school, I
It does
guess.
have the old school Ford, whatever.
And you couldn't even read it before, and it was bent to snot.
Yeah, now it's beautiful. Look at that.
So now we'll put it in.
FOMOCO, it's so sexy.
It's all original.
Bitchin'. Happy.
Happy. Happy, happy, joy, joy. Oh, no, wait a minute. Is that happy, happy, joy, joy?
Yeah, Ren and Stimpy. Happy.
Peanut butter jelly time.
No!
Peanut butter jelly time.
No! Back to work. All right. Scotty versus Axel Seal. That's not being very friendly, is it?
Nope.
Oh. Try the other end of the hooker.
I'm wondering if we could or should put a screw in it and then use the screw with a hammer or a house builder. And
Did you hear that asshole talking shit?
yes, I did. I hear them randomly.
Working spiders, dude.
They're bad.
I wonder if we could... Call me fucking crazy. What if we took like the long jack handle, put it through and went bink and banged it out from the backside? You think we can go straight across? What's your thought on that, sir? Brilliant, actually. All right. Rebuilt third member in with the tag Scotty cleaned up.
Woohoo!
Do that again.
Woohoo!
There you go. All right. That's all situated. These seals we need to pull out.
I can see you.
Can you see me? I can't see you.
I can see you.
But anyway, we got to get these axle seals out still tomorrow. I'm going to actually borrow Wick's puller. He has a puller for this with a slide hammer, if I remember correctly. Because the regular puller ain't cutting it, because they've been in there since the dawn of existence. We're going to put the drive shaft in real fast.
Purdy shocks.
Yep, shocks are in and done. Trans is in and done, as you've seen. Bada boom, bada bing. Drive shaft's in! Huzzah! Alright, that's in. All we gotta do is axle seals, axles, and fluids. Be over here tomorrow, knock that out.